If you don't complete this urgent task on your Arichain wallet, you might end up not getting an airdrop from them. In fact, you might end up losing your account. And that is why I'm here for you, because in this video, I'll show you what you need to do so that you can position yourself properly. But before that, I'm going to show you, this is just the latest information I got from Arichain, and as you can see, it's already on my Telegram channel. Now, this urgent task is not the connection of Discord. Of course, by now you should already be in Arichain's Discord account. That is their Discord channel. You should already be there. Then you should already be following them on their X account, and then you should already be verified on their Discord. If you don't know how to do this, just check through my videos. I already made a lot of videos on Arichain. So this one now is just to show you the tasks that you need to complete on your Arichain so that you stay eligible for their airdrop. Now, if you notice, this is the latest updates from them that I've dropped on my Telegram channel. As you can see, starting November 7th, Ari Wallet will officially begin collecting user data from both the Ari Wallet app and the Discord server. If you check my date here, I think, okay, this is November 5. So in about 2 days times, which will be 7th of November, Arichain will now start collecting the user data. Yes, like I've said, for a lot of you that have been requesting for Arichain's KYC, when we did do KYC, this and that, I don't think Arichain is going to be doing a KYC, or at least not in the way that we are used to or that we're expecting. This is probably what they are going to be using for their KYC. Now, if you check through the second part of the message, it said the Ari Wallet Utility Token has a total supply of 500 million allocated as follows. 14% is going for ICO sales, 5% for the team, and then 77.8% for liquidity, marketing, ecosystem development, and airdrops. Yeah. So that simply means it is from this 77.8% that we'll be getting our airdrop from. But I still think they need to break this down, because this 77% now, how many percent is going for liquidity? How many percent is going for the marketing? How many percent is going to ecosystem development? Because at the end of the day, it might just be 5% that's going for airdrop, or 10% or whatsoever. But it does not matter. Make we shall get our airdrop. Now, if you read down, you now see that Ari Wallet is targeting an early December launch. So yeah, we should be expecting Ari Chain to get listed early December. From my personal prediction, anything that makes them not to get listed in December, that is early December, just zero your mind. We are looking towards next year, 2026. That is the first half of 2026. That is when you should be expecting Ari Wallet to get listed. So that is by the way. As you can see, I dropped this information on my Telegram channel first before making videos on them. So if you want to be getting updates like this, make sure you're on my Telegram channel. My old channel was banned. My old channel was about 7.7k subscribers. This one now is currently 866. That is because it's a new channel, a backup channel that I opened. So don't believe anybody out there. This is my only channel right now. My old channel that was banned, it is not recovered yet. So this is my only channel. If you are in any channel on Telegram that is less than this 800 followers, 800 subscribers, know that you are not in my channel. And again, I don't converse on Telegram. If you notice, look at this pin message. Once you come to this my channel, go to this pin message, check what is there. That is a warning, and that is also my WhatsApp contact for those of you that might want to buy or sell your coins, or you want to learn Web3, you want to learn what I'm doing and the likes. You can message me personally. That is by the way. So I dropped a warning there that I don't converse on Telegram. So that is basically it. Make sure you're following me on Telegram. Make sure you're subscribed to my X. I do drop a lot of updates there. In fact, this video is coming late. If you notice, I already made a post. Let's go to my X. I already made a post last night as regarding to this urgent task that you have to complete. And where is the post? Okay, so this is the post here. Not this one. This is okay. This is the post you can see. Arichain urgent task. I already made a post on it, and you can see it has about 3k impressions. So people have done this before I'm making this video on YouTube. So make sure you're following me on X so you get first-hand information. Now let's head over into my Ari wallet. Once you're in your Ari wallet, the next thing you want to do is to go over to your test next section. We're not yet in mainnet. Once it opens up, you want to tap on this hamburger menu at the top right of your screen. Once it opens up, the next thing you want to go over to this your settings and look at this view master key. Click on view. I don't want to view my own now for security purposes. So view your master key, copy it and keep somewhere secure. The reason for this is that if you lose access to your device, you will not be able to log in to your Ari wallet on another device again, especially if you don't have your password. So that your master key is extremely important. If you forgot your password, this is the opportunity you have now to change your password. For some of you, you will notice that when you change your password, your master key will also change. That is not a red flag. If it changes, copy your new password, keep it secure, copy your master key, keep it secure. Very important so that you don't lose access to your account. So that is basically that. And like I've said, it should be assumed that you're already on their Discord channel, your Discord account is verified, and everything is set up, waiting for them to finally begin the registration. Now, there are also other airdrops that we're currently participating in. We're participating in airdrop. The airdrop I'm currently bullish on now is social value. Social value rewarded their people massively in the season one. This time around, they are doing season two. The season two distribution is going to be in January. So from now to January, you still have the opportunity to accumulate. In case you're not on it yet, check the description box of this video since you're watching from YouTube. It is going to be there. Or I'm also going to pin the link in the comment section, so you can check my comments in the comment section and then pick the link and register. So that is basically that about that. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon, because sometimes even if you are subscribed, you will not see videos from us if your bell icon is not turned on for notifications. So turn it on. Follow us on other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Check other social media platforms. You see the news tech there. Follow us there, and that is basically it.